Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you guys just a couple of different shades of the SENGENCE LipSense. My sister and my mother actually sell this, and you know, for the longest time they would just use these products and they obviously loved them, so they started selling them. But I actually didn't use them for maybe the first year that they used them. I would always see them using them. I loved the colors, but I was always just scared. You know, I never really used lip color. So I just kind of thought, oh, you know, is it going to really stay on all day? Is it going to look good on me? You know, what shade would I even want to get? So I kind of just started off with some of the lighter colors, and I want to show you guys the two colors that I have. So the two colors that I have gotten, by the way, this is not sponsored, just so you guys know. I will put a link below to my sister's Facebook page where you can buy the products, but it's not sponsored whatsoever by SENGENCE. So here's what it looks like. So this is the actual lipstick itself. This is the shade Bravo. And then I also got the SENGENCE Mauve Ice, which I thought was really pretty. They're both kind of the lighter colors, which they're still really awesome. They kind of look similar here, don't they? They look pretty close. One of them's a little bit more shimmery, one of them's a little bit more natural. And then I did get the Oops Remover, which you guys do need to get as far as, you know, if you make a mistake when you're applying it, or just to remove it at the end of the day. This works awesome for that. So this is the LipSense Oops Remover. And then I did get the LipSense. This is the moisturizing gloss, and I got it in sand. So this is the sand gloss, and it lasts forever. It looks like it's almost gone. It really isn't. Yeah, and these products are awesome. Like I said, I've only been using them for a little while, but they really are awesome. They stay on all day, which is great. So, you know, you can eat food. You can wear the bright red color if you want to. You can eat food. You can take a drink. It's not going to come off at all. You know, I have other lipsticks that I wear if I eat an apple or take a drink or use a straw, or oh, the other day I was eating oatmeal and my spoon looked disgusting. It was a white plastic spoon and it was just pink all over the place. You can definitely tell a difference when you're using a normal lipstick compared to the LipSense. I mean, there's no color that comes off of your lips when you're wearing LipSense compared to that. So let's start with the first one. So I'm gonna go ahead and put, let's do the Bravo. So this is the lighter color first. So first I'm going to get my lips ready. So I'm gonna use this Oops Remover just to kind of make sure that everything is off my lips. So I'm gonna go in, get it on, rub it in, and then I'm gonna use a towel to get it off, to get the lips clean. And by the way, if you guys are watching this and you actually sell LipSense, or if you're really into it and I am saying something wrong or doing something wrong, let me know. As far as I'm aware, I'm doing everything right, but again, I've only been using it for a little while. So now you're gonna shake, shake, shake. There's something in there, I don't know if it's a ball or what it is. But yeah, so you wanna shake it really, really, really good before you use it. So shake, 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 shake. Okay, so I'm gonna open it, and you wanna wipe off as much as you can. You can see there's a ton that's actually on there, on the applicator itself. So I'm gonna wipe that off. You don't need a lot. This should last a very, very long time. And then you're gonna put it on. So it's 3 coats that it takes. So I'm gonna do 1 coat, wait a second, let it dry, 2 coats, wait, and then 3 coats, and then we'll do the gloss. So the first coat, you wanna make sure to spread your lips open. It looks kind of silly, but you wanna make sure to get everywhere. You wanna get, you know, the water part of your lip, the outsides, the top, everywhere. You guys, I make such awkward noises. Like, what is that? I don't even know. Seriously. Okay, so now I'm gonna pull it out, wipe the end off again. Now we're gonna do coat number 2. I hear something, I don't know what that is. Coat number 3, wipe it off. So once it's dry, you can kind of touch it and make sure that it's dry all the way. Mine's dry, so now I'm gonna use my gloss. And I'm gonna put this over the top. The gloss you can of course reapply throughout the day. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. This gloss is actually beautiful when it's by itself even. I love this by itself. So you guys can kind of see how pretty that is. Do you see that? It's so natural, but yet it's there, you know? Very, very pretty. I love this one. And this goes with everything. So, you know, today I'm wearing red flannel. Yeah, it goes with it. It's awesome. You guys, why won't my phone stay still? Okay, so we have that one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I can't talk today. I'll drink my LaCroix. Okay, look you guys. So there's nothing on there right now, right? Watch. Ah, nice big drink. Look at that, nothing. Nothing at all. Okay, so there's that color. I just lost my stand here. So now I want to show you guys the other color that I have. So this is the Mauve Ice. So first, let's get this off, okay? So sad to take it off right away. It's so pretty. So I'm gonna put the Oops, and actually, you know what? Let me wipe this off first. I'm gonna wipe off the gloss. Look at that. It's still on there, you guys. Do you see that? I can wipe my lips. Look, it's still on. Isn't that awesome? That's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Oops. Put it on my lips. Rub it in. You guys can use the towel again to get it off. By the way, this is some makeup I had to get off from earlier. Anyways, okay. And I'm actually just gonna use it on my makeup removers. I like these the best. I feel like they kind of moisturize my lips as opposed to using like a dry towel. So rub the Oops in. Look at that. Now it's coming off. Before it would not. When you use the Oops, it does. I'll rub it off. Okay. You guys see that? Voila. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Oops again to clean off my lips. This time I'm gonna use the towel. So I wanna make sure my lips are completely clean and clear. Clean and Clear, that's a brand. Okay, anyways, so here's the Mauve Ice. So I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. What do you guys think of my hair? I actually used a necklace that I wore in a previous video, and I put it in my hair as a headband. I think it's kind of cute. I don't know. What do you guys think? It actually is staying in really, really well. I feel like sometimes my head's a little bit flat, so like if I move around with the headband, it kind of like starts to slip up in the back. This necklace, you guys, it's not slipping up at all. It's like still where it was when I put it on. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna wipe off the excess and start. This is gonna be coat number 1. Let that dry. Here I am with the freaking weird sounds again. Like, what am I doing? If you guys are wondering what that is, that's actually an antenna for a cable. So if you're wondering, I don't know, you probably could care less, but just so you know, it's an antenna for cable for the TV in here. Okay, so wiping off the excess, and now this is coat number 3. Okay, so again, you can touch it, make sure it's dry. I'm gonna use my gloss. This glass is so pretty over anything, you guys. They do have like plain glasses you can get, just clear. You can get like silver or gold, glitter, I believe. Yeah, basically they have so many different colors. The glass are beautiful, but I love this one. I really, really do. Okay, so here is the Mauve Ice. What do you guys think? Isn't that pretty? It's like a really pretty pink and it's kind of shimmery. What do you guys think? I like it. It really goes with my pretty pink eyeshadow that's actually blush. Yeah, so we have that. There it is. I think I'm gonna wear this one now, you guys. Isn't that beautiful? Oh yeah. My camera's going crazy. Yeah, so here you have it. So these are the LipSense, Senegence LipSense in Mauve Ice, and the first one was Bravo. I'll put again a link below so you guys can, if you have any questions or anything, you can definitely ask. It's a Facebook link. If you guys want to order anything, you can. Again, this video is not sponsored. My sister actually doesn't even know I'm filming it. I love the product, honestly, and I want you guys to know about it. So yeah, again, if you guys have any questions or anything, you can ask me or the link below. And yeah, I hope this video helped you guys. Again, if I did anything wrong or anything, sorry, and you guys can let me know too, because obviously I'm still learning, but I do love this product. So yeah, thank you guys.